Hey Claimer staff, just a little bit of a PSA for you guys as you go about your daily routines. As we're dealing with the COVID or the coronavirus, the COVID-19 right now, hand hygiene is prevalent and we have to make sure that we are doing our part to keep the virus spread down to a minimum. Hand hygiene is important, and these are some of the things that you need to pay attention to when you are working and when hand hygiene is to be utilized. When visibly soiled, your hands from handling anything that could be dirty. After any restroom use, any secretions that you might be cleaning, so your nose, you cough, you sneeze, anything like that. Eating and handling of any food, so your food prep or after you're done eating. Smoking or vaping, because there's a lot of hand to face contact, which you want to minimize. Handling of any refuse, garbage, or anything that you might be picking up through your daily routine. If there is an animal, a little cuddly chihuahua that rolls by and you get to pet him, he's licked his butt at one time, so you should be washing your hands. Liquid soap is best to be using, so if you are washing your hands and there's available liquid soap versus a bar, that's what you want to kind of focus on, is using liquid soap other than the bar, because the bar may not have adequate drainage in that pan where it sits, so liquid soap comes from the dispenser and there is no other contact. Thanks guys. Hey guys, we're back again with some hand hygiene things. So just as a little refresher course on how to wash your hands. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have none of your jewelry, watches, and whatnot on, because it will affect some of your washing when you're doing proper hand hygiene. Make sure that you unroll some paper towel, because you will need that afterwards to turn off the tap. But what you want to make sure you're doing, turn on the faucet, moderately warm water, get your hands wet. 2 or 3 pumps of soap. You want to make sure that you are washing your hands fairly thoroughly, all the way down to the wrist. Adequate scrub for at least 15 seconds, or you can sing happy birthday, or you can recount the alphabet if you remember it 2 times over, ensuring that you get into your fingers, into the nails where things will actually catch the crevices. If you have a lot of cuts in your hands, or you have rugged finger skin and there's lots of cracks, make sure. Once you are finished all this, adequately rinse. Now before you turn off the tap, make sure you rinse. Grab some paper towel that you pre-unrolled, turn off the tap, damp this, and when you come over here, deposit this in the garbage and use a hand dryer. It's best because it blows it dry without any additional use of paper towel. Make sure they're adequately dry. And that is really what you need to be doing for your hand hygiene, guys. Okay? Keep it safe, keep it clean.